When the night is heavy on my soul and I feel like I'm losing control, every question without a sound, still your mercy surrounds me now. I have wandered far from your grace, still I see love written on your face. Even when I turn away, you are calling out my name. I don't have the strength to stand, but you're holding out your hand. Stay with me, don't let me go. When I'm lost and feeling alone, hold my heart, don't let it break. You're the only hope I have. Through the tears, through the pain, you are with me all the way. Even when my faith is weak, Lord, your love will stay with me. Every scar, every hidden fear, you see it all, yet you will draw near. There's no place that I can hide from the shadow of your light. When I fall beneath the weight, you remind me of your grace. Stay with me, don't let me go. When I'm lost and feeling alone, hold my heart, don't let it break. You're the only hope I have. Through the tears, through the pain, you are with me all the way. Even when my faith is weak, Lord, your love will stay with me. Stay with me, don't let me go. When I'm lost and feeling alone, hold my heart, don't let it break. You're the only hope I have. Through the tears, through the pain, you are with me all the way. Even when my faith is weak, Lord, your love will stay with me.